Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send TON from Tonkeeper to Bitget Wallet. Alright, so your first step would be to open the Tonkeeper, click on Toncoin, make sure you have enough to cover your gas fees, click on send, and then you're to provide an address and a comment. So minimize and open up your Bitget Wallet. Once you've opened up the Bitget Wallet, where we have deposit, click on deposit crypto, so you have crypto, so click on receive. The search icon at the top, use it to search for TON. Click on the Toncoin, click on later, copy your address, minimize, and then open up Tonkeeper. If you remember, there was no comment or tag required for this transaction. So click on continue and then proceed to enter an amount of TON you wish to send. So let's go ahead and send a small amount of TON. Now click on continue again, click on confirm and send, enter your passcode, and done. The transaction has been sent over, and if you click on this, you would find that the transaction has been sent. If you head back to your Bitget wallet, perform a simple reload on Bitget, you should find your tokens have been deposited. If you can't find them at the home section, head to the wallet at the bottom right, reload again, and you'd find your Tonkeeper, you'd find your Toncoin on your wallet. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you've given an answer.